This is my math homework number 6, Tuesday. Find the product, 52 times 438. Here's 438. This is going to be 52. Let's start off with the ones, which is the 2. That's the ones place. 2 times 8 is 16, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, add 1 is 7. 2 times 4 is 8. I cross out my 2, I put my 0. Let's go and erase the number up top so it does not distract me. 5 times 8 is 40, carry the 4. 5 times 3 is 15, add 4 is 19, I carry my 1. 5 times 4 is 20, add 1 is 21. So my two partial products are 876 and 21,900. I add these up, and 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 0 is 7, 8 plus 9 is 17, I carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and it's 2 is by himself, and we'll make that 22,776. Moving along, let's go and go to division. Here's our quotient, or we're trying to find the quotient. Here's our dividend. Here's our divisor. And let's get started. 9 cannot go into 7. We put an X up top. 9 can go into 74 8 times because 9 times 8 is 72. I subtract that. This will give us 2 left. I bring down the 8. 9 can go in 28 3 times because that would be 27. I know that 28 minus 27 is 1. I bring down my 18, and 9 can go into 18 twice because 9 times 18 is 18. And that will give me no remainders, and my quotient is 832. Alright, the third one's find the sum is 25.1 plus 1.9. I know 1 plus 9 is 10. I'll carry my 1. My decimal goes straight down. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And this 2 is by himself. So this is 27.0, or just say 27. It's the same thing. Let's go and find the difference on number 4. That's going to be 554.3 minus 15 and 3/10. I know that 3 minus 3 is 0. My decimal goes straight down. I cannot do 4 minus 5, so I'll borrow. This is now 14 minus 5, which is going to be 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 5 is by himself, so it's 539.0, or just 539. Let's go and compare inequalities. The first set is 11.4. We're going to compare that to 11.40. And although they look different, we can add 0, and they are the same. They have the same value. Here's 53.11. Over here is 53.011. We add a 0. They both have 53. Here's 110. Here's only 11. So that one is greater. Now it says, what is the value of underlying digit? That one, let's go write the number down first. Oops. 2, 5, 3, 2, and 628 thousandths. So it says, what is the value of this digit? Well, that 3 is 30, or 3 times 10. Well, it's still going to be 30, because that 3 is in the tens place, so it would be 3 times 10, which is 30. That 2 is 2 in the ones place. Alright, moving on to the last one. We're going to multiply 5.4 times 7.8. To do this, you're going to forget the decimals. You're just going to pretend that it's not there and just multiply 54 times 78 normally. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. Add 3 is 43. You cross out the 8. You put a 0. That's going to erase the number up top. Now 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2. 7 times 5 is 35. Add 2 is 37. Add up your partial products. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 would be 12. Carry the 1. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Now what we need to do is you have to count the number of digits behind the decimal. You have tens, hundreds. So you have two numbers behind the decimal. 1, and then you have another 1, so that's 2. So you got to do 1, 2, tens, hundreds. And the answer would be right there. It would be 42.12.